Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we're diving into how to fix a tricky situation if you accidentally delete your network driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 and can't get online. It might sound daunting, but it's a pretty straightforward process. To get that driver back and your connection running again, let's jump right in and sort it out step by step. First, let's try a simple trick. Open the search menu. Down on your taskbar, you'll see a little magnifying glass next to the Start button. Click it, then type Device Manager. When Device Manager pops up as a best match, go ahead and click it to open it. In the window that loads, scroll down until you find Network Adapters. It might be empty or missing. If the driver's gone, right-click that section anyway and choose Scan for hardware changes. This tells Windows to look for anything plugged in or recently removed. Wait a moment. If your network adapter shows up again, awesome, you're done. If it's still missing, don't worry, we've got a backup plan. Choose Device Manager and head back to the search menu. This time type Network Reset. When Network Reset appears as the best match, click to launch it. Before we go further, a quick note: if you are using Wi-Fi, grab your network credentials, your Wi-Fi name and password, because you will need them after all this. This resets all network adapters, reinstalls them from scratch, and sets everything back to factory default. You might need to reinstall stuff like VPN software afterward, but it's worth it to fix this. Scroll down and click Reset now. A prompt will ask, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? It will say you'll be signed out for a few minutes. But don't wait, save any open files, close your apps, and restart manually. Click the Start button, pick Restart, and let your PC reboot. Once it's back, reconnect to your network, type in those Wi-Fi details if prompted, and see if it's working. That's it, folks. With a scan or a full reset, your network driver should be back in play. If this got you online again, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more handy fixes. Catch you next tutorial.